We got another quick tip for you here at EdTech. I'm Tina Nunez, and here we go. I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can alter a Google Share link depending on how you want to share a file to somebody else. If you've never followed Tony Vincent before, we're going to go over these 4 ways to change a link. If you want to share a force a copy link, that's going to create a button for whoever you share it with that will force a copy automatically into their drive. Another way to alter the link is to create a template preview link. This works very much the same way, but now someone can actually see the document for themselves and decide if they want to make a copy of it. You can also share a PDF link where it's going to export that document out into a PDF automatically. And then there's a preview link, which you can send when you want to have a link where there isn't any menus or toolbars. So here's how to do this. First, I'm going to go here to my Google Doc, and I'm going to go up here to share. I'm going to make sure that I don't have this as restricted. I'm going to go ahead and change mine to anyone with the link can view. We're actually going to be altering this specific link. So I have a brand new doc here that I'm going to paste this link into so you can see what this link looks like. We are going to be using, after this slash right here, we're going to be changing all of this information for each one of these different types of links. So the first one is force a copy link. I'm going to take that same link, I'm going to put it here, and after where it says edit, we're going to get rid of all of that text and we're going to put the word copy. Now when I take this entire link and I share it with somebody else, so I have a different account here, it's going to force a copy for that person, and that person's now going to be the owner of that document. I'm going to take that original link again, and now we're going to make a template preview link. So once again, we're going to take off where it says edit, and we're going to type in the word template / preview. If I share this link out to somebody else, I'm going to open a new tab here. This is what it's going to look like on their end. Very much the same as a force a copy link where they get ownership and they put it in their drive, but now they can see the entire document, slide deck, Google spreadsheet, whichever one you want to share. It's going to say use template. That is going to force a copy in my drive as well. Now, use template links do not work if you share them to student accounts if you have a district domain account. So if you want to share with students a force a copy link, that will work out, but it will not work if you use a template link. So keep that in mind. The next type of link is a preview link. Once again, I'm going to start with that original link right here for preview, delete where it says edit, and we're just going to put the word preview instead. Not template preview, just preview. We're going to send that to someone as a link up here. It's just going to be the document all by itself. Okay, the last one is a little bit more complicated to type out, but this is creating an automatic PDF file. And we're going to put export format equals PDF. Now, this type of link seems to only want to work if you are within your domain. So I'm going to open up a new tab here in my district account, and when I open up that link, it's actually not going to open up within Google. When I hit export, it's going to automatically download here in my downloads. So there are 4 different ways you can share out a Google file. Don't forget to set up your notifications if you want some more of our quick tip videos.